Welcome to the Sunrise Meditation. I hope you're doing well and that the day is going beautifully for you. So today we are going to begin by sitting in front of an open window, just the blinds open, just to allow the sun to really glaze your skin, have you looking like a sunshine donut. And sit in a comfortable position with your legs crossed if that feels comfortable to you. Rooted in wherever you're sitting. Today I'm sitting on a bed and I'm pretty comfortable right now. I'm just gonna take a few minutes. I don't know how long this is gonna be, but let's settle in. So adjust your shoulders, make yourself feel comfortable. Adjust your back, stretch your arms. Sorry if I'm hitting the mic. Twist. Breathe out and palms open to the sun, receiving all the glory and goodness right here. Place them down, resting on your knees gently, and inhale deep. Hold. Release. Allowing your eyes to gently fall to a close. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. One more time. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Now that we are centered in this moment, I invite you to take a look behind your closed eyelids. Immerse yourself in the darkness that's being penetrated by the light. Allow yourself to see the light as if your eyes were open. What does it feel like to gaze into the sun? Feeling the sun penetrate all of your skin, seeping into your body, starting with the center of your forehead in your third eye, allowing that light to fill your third eye and lift your vibration higher. Inhale deep, hold, release. Again, inhale deep, hold, release. One last time, inhale deep, hold, release. Feel the sun's rays as they pour over your skin, as if you were standing outside during a rainstorm, feeling all of the water wash all over your body. Feel the sun washing over your entire body, from the top of your head to the soles of your feet, filling you with love, light, and healing power. Take some time to breathe in all of the power of the sun, allowing your breath to completely fill your stomach during your inhale, and exhaling slowly and gently. Inhale deep, hold, release. Allowing your eyes to almost look towards the bridge of your nose with your eyes still closed. Filling your eyes looking towards the bridge of your nose up towards your third eye. Inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. Again, inhale deep. Hold. Release. bright yellow like the sun, taking up space on this earth, surrounding you. See yourself in this moment, with your arms reaching towards the sky, as if for a warm embrace. The sun embraces you with love, light, and healing energy as you stand still or sit still, soaking it all up in this moment. Continuing to allow your breath to come and go as it needs. Just like a car at the gas pump, you feel yourself getting filled with energy, the fuel you'll need to power you the rest of the day. Continue breathing here, allowing your belly to hang loose. Inhale deep, hold, release. Inhale deep, hold, release. One last time, inhale deep, hold, release. As you see yourself again standing in this meadow filled with light and beautiful colors abounding from the plentiful flowers, you feel the peace over your entire being as you allow yourself to sink into the grass around you, laying there absorbing the sun as you feel the earth beneath you and around you. You find stillness in this moment. As we prepare to awaken our bodies and enter this day, I invite you to repeat these affirmations to yourself if you'd like, or to just listen to them silently. Today is an amazing day. I am grateful to be alive today. The sun is shining. I am grateful for the sun. I am grateful for Source. I am grateful for my life. I am filled with love and light. My body is strong and healthy. I am a powerful being. Inhale deep. Hold. towards the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Release. As you gently roll your neck. You reawaken to this moment, allowing your body to come back into this room, still feeling the light warming your body. You find peace in this moment as you gently blink open your eyes, seeing the sun in front of you and the day ahead of you. You know that today is an amazing day. Inhale deep, hold, release. Gently place your hands onto your heart. As you inhale, you feel the love and light seeping into your body through your heart. Inhale deep, hold, release. Thank you so much for joining me today. And thank yourself for taking the time to do this for you. This is so important in initiating a beautiful day, is setting your intention. So today our intention is to have a beautiful day, for miracles to unfold before our eyes, and for us to see God's glory in everything and everywhere and in everyone we meet today. I hope you have an amazing day. Thank you so much for joining me. Peace to you.